Blow.
Yeah, I don't think she's going. Yeah, I think she's like, no.
Did you blow it out?
Remember your first birthday?
Does he remember his first birthday? I doubt it.
My first birthday.
Do you want me to cut?
They were riding around in the yard in the wagon.
Are you capable of cutting the cake, Jake?
No. Because you'll cut big, huge pieces.
Sorry.
We got chocolate chips and
Oh God, of
fudge
course.
swirl. Who wants what kind of ice cream? What were the options? Chocolate chip, fudge swirl.
I don't take whatever you
both
bring.
of those, actually. I want some.
Say hi.
They all look rather delicious.
You want some cake?
Chantal, go over by them so I can take a picture of you guys together.